In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning flipbook using Canva, whether you're designing a personal project or preparing a professional presentation. Canva's user-friendly platform makes it incredibly easy to craft a visually appealing flipbook. So, let's dive into the process. First, we're going to open Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's an online graphic design tool that's perfect for everyone, from beginners to seasoned designers. Once you're in Canva, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed on the home page. In this search bar, type flipbook and hit enter. This will direct you to a selection of stunning templates designed specifically for flipbooks. When you search for flipbook, you'll be presented with a plethora of options, each offering a unique style and layout. Take your time to browse through the templates and select one that resonates with your vision or purpose. A great tip here is to think about your audience and the message you want to convey, as this will help you choose a design that enhances your content. Once you've found a template that you like, go ahead and click on it. You'll see a button that says Customize this template. Click on that, and it will open the template in Canva's editor, where you can begin customizing it to suit your needs. Now comes the fun part, editing the text. Feel free to change it to match your specific needs, whether you're adding a title, headers, or specific content for each page. Canva provides a straightforward text editor that allows you to easily select any portion of text and make changes. While you're at it, remember, you have creative freedom to modify not just the text, but also the color scheme and font style. Experiment with different fonts and colors to find a combination that's just right for your project. In addition to text editing, Canva also allows you to incorporate various elements into your flipbook. You can add images, illustrations, and icons to make your flipbook more engaging and visually appealing. The Elements tab on the left of your screen will provide you with a wide array of graphics that can be dragged and dropped into your design effortlessly. Once you've finished customizing text and adding all the necessary elements, your flipbook is ready to go. Take a moment to review your creation, ensuring everything looks great and is cohesive. If you're happy with what you've designed, you can then proceed to download your flipbook or share it directly from Canva. And that's all it takes. You've successfully created a flipbook using Canva. Whether you're sharing it digitally or printing it out, rest assured that your design will capture attention and convey your message effectively. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and remember, the possibilities are endless when you unleash your creativity with Canva.